I'm going to use just a bottle of dishwashing liquid to clean this. Stand by. I didn't even use all of it, but I want to try this on this carpet with just hot water. Terra, T-E-R-R-A, Breeze Liquid Dishwashing Solution here. I was just testing to find out, will this in hot water get this high traffic area carpet clean? I put some in this extractor, used it, and look how clean this carpet came with some Terra Breeze dishwashing liquid. Bam! How neat is that?